Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We have enough of holidays. Hope you have enjoyed your holidays. Now you are back to study. It's time to study again. We have done 3 chapters in science, in which the first 2 chapters are coming in your unit test 1. This is the third chapter and this chapter. This is your unit test 2 course. Now the new chapter which we are going to start is electricity and circuits. Okay, this chapter is your unit test 2 course. Now what is electricity? What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy. When you enter a room which is dark, what you do? Your hands goes to the switch and you on the switch, and then what happens? The whole of the room brightens. Then you must have seen many electrical gadgets in your home like ACs, fans, TVs, LEDs, refrigerators. How do they work? They all work on electricity. So what is electricity? Electricity is a useful form of energy. It plays a very important role in our life. We use electricity to make our work easier. For example, it is used to run pumps that lift water from the ground to the top tank. It is also needed for functioning of television, computers, refrigerators, geysers, ACs, etc. It is also used for lighting. Sometimes we use a torch to see at night. When we switch on the torch, the bulb glows. Then, how does this bulb glows? The bulb has cell in it, which makes the torch to glow. So, for having electricity, a source is needed, and this source is called as electric cell. What is electric cell? Electric cells are a common source of energy, electric energy for many equipments. You can see electric cells in your remotes, in transistors, in calculators, wristwatches, clocks, etc. When a single cell is used, it is called electric cell. When 2 or more cells are used, it is called a battery. Now we will discuss about the structure of a dry cell. A electric cell have 2 terminals, a positive and a negative terminal. In a dry cell, the tip of the cell acts as the positive terminal and the base of the zinc container acts as a negative terminal. When we connect the positive and the negative terminal of the cell with the help of a metal wire, the current flows through it. An electric cell contains chemicals inside it. These chemicals are used by the cell to produce electricity. When the chemicals in the electric cells are used up, the electric cell stops producing electricity and it has to be replaced with a new one. Electric cells are of different types. For example, a pencil cell which is used in electric clock, an ordinary cell used in a toy, and a button cell which is used in video games. A cell is a single unit where 2 or more cells are connected end to end. It is called a battery.